Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Bree, and I'm back with another video. Today I am going to be doing another makeup tutorial. Now, like I said before, I'm not a beauty guru. I am not a beauty guru, okay? Like, I don't even think I know how to put mascara on right. The only thing I know how to do is apply some lashes and put some lip gloss on, which I need to do right now, but it's okay. We're gonna be real, okay? I already put my hair back, okay? It's just gonna be real. I'm gonna try to not cut it too much, but yeah, here we go. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. You know, I'm gonna go for a dark look. I'm just gonna do something. I'm just gonna bam. I'm gonna be using this this Morphe palette, and I think I'm gonna use those, not that one, all the dark colors on here and see if I can make something cute. But I don't know, so we'll see. I'm gonna be looking down at the palette mirror just because it's a little easier. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're going to use Catwalk right here. I don't even know how dark this is, or like if it's really that pigmented as it shows on there, because it shows like it's really dark. But I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. Let's see. Oh baby, I feel like if I use these purples, it's gonna make me look like I have a black eye or something. Oh my word, it looks like I got punched in the face. That's not cute. Y'all could see me applying it, which I don't know if I'm applying things right, but yeah, right now I just look like I have a bruised eye, which that's wonderful, you know? I don't know how high I should go because, see, I have a lot of space between here and my brows, and I would never know if I should go all the way up or just stay down low, you know? Just stay on my, like, actual eye. Oh wow, this looks, wait, looking a little crazy, but we'll see what happens. Oh my word, this is not gonna be cute. Okay, how is this side darker than this side? I don't get it. Okay, so now that we have purple, we're gonna use some stripe. Actually, we're gonna go purple and green because I don't know what about that gold over there. It's kind of discouraging me. Besides, I'm already looking like a beat up raccoon, so. Oh, you know what? This is horrible. I'm using all of the colors that are like literally meant for bruises. If you want to make a bruise, you just need to use like the purples and greens and blues to make a bruise. And that's literally what I'm doing. I am just abusing my face. I am literally making it look like I got hit, and I'm not trying to, but like I said, I don't do makeup. Like, honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing at the moment, but at least my blend is, look at how nice the blend is for the most part. It's blended cute. Maybe this would be cute on someone who was a little bit darker than me, or this would probably be cute if the pigment, if it was a brighter color instead of so dark. Just because, like, literally it looks like I got punched in the face. Well, now I know how to make a bruise. Yeah, here's the purple and green. It's not the cutest look. Maybe I can lighten it up a bit. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. This looks horrible. This looks horrible. Like, what is this? What? Now I'm adding red. Attempt at makeup. Oh, you know, this is gonna be a makeup fail. Maybe I'm gonna restart. Oh, this is getting kind of cute. Maybe. But I definitely put way too much all around. Like, I did not set boundaries. I just started putting it. I don't even knock off all the fallout, so I have fallout everywhere. Like, literally, what is that? What is that? I don't know. Okay, now it looks like I'm just a hurt animal. Like, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. You know what? We're gonna be done for today. This is horrible. Can't believe I did this. But this is me doing my makeup terribly on purpose. Yeah, on purpose. We're just gonna say it was on purpose. Like, what is this? What it look like I got beat up. Yeah, we're just gonna take this off. Like, no, sweetie, no. If y'all like this video, please like it. If y'all want to say something, please comment down below. Like, give me some tips and tell me not to do this again. I don't want to do a bad makeup tutorial again. Oh, that was horrendous. I mean, I'm not even that good at makeup anyways, but jeez Louise, that was terrible. Like, literally looks like I got punched in the face. And there's so much on my eye. Like, that was one swipe. You just look at it and put a lipstick on. Ooh, if I put some lipstick on, it'd be game over. And probably be banned from wearing makeup ever again. Just because it looks so crazy. Alright, I think that's it. I gotta put my lashes back on, but yeah, I'm done for today. If y'all enjoyed this, please like down below. If you want to see more videos makeup related, comment down below. And if you just want to be part of the family, you know, subscribe. Why not? Just subscribe. Subscribe! Just remember, everyone, stay beautiful, stay bold, stay confident, and you can do anything that you put your mind to, okay? Believe in yourself. If you can dream it, you can do anything. Anyways, I love y'all. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. I will see y'all in my next video. I love y'all so much. Thank you. Mwah. Goodbye.